Welcome to my YouTube channel Select Lifestyle. In this video, we will show you different designs of staircase. Staircases, beyond mere functional elements, are integral to a structure's aesthetic appeal. They offer more than just a means to ascend or descend, they shape the very character and ambience of a space. From classic to contemporary, minimalist to ornate, staircase designs span a vast spectrum, each imbued with its own unique charm and personality. At the heart of staircase design lies the timeless elegance of the straight staircase. Its simplicity is its strength, a linear ascent from one floor to another without twists or turns. Such staircases are favored for their efficiency and space-saving attributes, ideal for spaces where functionality reigns supreme. For areas with spatial constraints, the spiral staircase emerges as a practical solution. Its compact design allows it to snugly fit into corners and small spaces, making it a go-to choice for lofts, attics, and urban dwellings. Yet, beyond its practicality, the spiral staircase adds a whimsical charm, injecting personality into any interior. In stark contrast, grand staircases epitomize opulence and grandeur. Found in palaces, museums, and stately homes, these majestic structures boast elaborate detailing and sweeping curves. They transcend mere functionality to become focal points, commanding attention and evoking awe from all who behold them. For those inclined towards modern aesthetics, floating staircases offer a sleek and minimalist alternative. Supported by hidden structural elements, they appear to defy gravity, creating an illusion of openness and airiness. Popular in contemporary homes and commercial spaces, these staircases embody clean lines and simplicity. Recent years have witnessed a resurgence in unconventional staircase designs. From bookcase staircases doubling as storage solutions to sculptural masterpieces that transcend functionality to become works of art, designers are pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. These designs not only serve practical purposes, but also evoke surprise and delight, enriching the spaces they inhabit. Staircases are not just architectural features. They're narrative threads woven into the very fabric of a building's identity. They guide us through spaces, connecting different levels while simultaneously serving as canvases for artistic expression and functional innovation. Let's delve deeper into the diverse world of staircase designs, exploring their myriad forms and the stories they tell. Straight staircases, with their clean lines and efficient designs, symbolize simplicity and practicality. From ancient civilizations to modern skyscrapers, straight staircases have stood the test of time, embodying a timeless elegance that transcends trends. Their straightforward ascent speaks volumes about efficiency, making them ideal for spaces where every square foot counts. Grand staircases, reminiscent of the opulent palaces of yesteryear, exude an air of grandeur and sophistication. With their sweeping curves, intricate carvings, and ornate balustrades, grand staircases are more than just functional elements, they're works of art in their own right. Ascending their steps feels like stepping back in time, evoking a sense of reverence and awe for the craftsmanship of bygone eras. Floating staircases, a hallmark of modern design, defy gravity with their minimalist allure. Supported by hidden beams or cantilevered brackets, floating staircases appear to float effortlessly in space, creating an illusion of weightlessness and openness. These architectural marvels embody the spirit of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in staircase design. And then there are the avant-garde staircases that defy categorization altogether. From mirrored staircases that play tricks on the eye to interactive installations that respond to our movements, these staircases blur the line between art and architecture, challenging our perceptions and sparking our imagination. In the tapestry of staircase designs, each thread tells a unique story, reflecting the values, aesthetics, and aspirations of its creators and inhabitants. Whether serving as a functional necessity or a statement piece, staircases are more than just means of conveyance, they're symbols of human ingenuity and creativity, inviting us to ascend to new heights, both literal and metaphorical. In conclusion, staircases stand as more than mere conduits between floors. They are architectural marvels that shape the very essence of the spaces they inhabit. From the timeless elegance of straight staircases to the whimsical allure of spiral designs, from the opulent grandeur of historic staircases to the sleek modernity of floating structures, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Select Lifestyle to get more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another informative video. Take care and goodbye.